So whatever you wanted to share, you can share it.
Yeah, good evening, everyone, or I should say good day, everyone. So, when Deepthi posted this on our group, I thought that it is a little intriguing. So, I called her, no, I messaged her actually, asking her if she can elaborate on that because it's something new which I never heard about. So before I was trying to converse with her, and it took a little time, a day or two, that's all, not more than that. But she spoke to me. She messaged me saying that we'll meet on some other one particular day. That's a Monday. So we started our journey there. So in a way, I think I had a complaining problem. Yeah, because I think all the time that I'm being very righteous, then somebody is not following that, then I get annoyed and I'm complaining. So what Dipti said about this is hooponopono. First thing is you clean yourself. If you are actually complaining, or if you are acknowledging other person, you are actually boosting their aura and not yours.
True.
So that is what it struck the chord. Then I understood the real meaning of that. And that is one thing. So this helped me in clearing my relationships, actually balancing them or understanding my relationship, how much I should give importance, how much I should get involved, and how much I should not. And when this happened, seriously, till that point of time, like I said, I had this complaining thing that slowly it it just gradually come down. I don't say that I have completely relieved from that.
True. It's a journey. It's a journey.
Yeah, it's a journey. So that's a starting thing.
Hmm.
Then whenever I am experiencing that, that's an urge to um, scold that person, or giving an irritation, facial, even that expression also, I started saying thank you because she's become a teacher for me. That is what Deepti told me about this phono. So each person you're encountering is a teacher that you are going to learn and evolve in the process.
True.
So thank you so much, Deepti. That was amazing. And then coming
Always,
to about
always.
myself, my physical elements also, I had a lot of knee pain. That also, how it went off, I don't know.
Wow.
Then I went out for a trekking like thing on Monday. Little bit like again pain has come because I have strained my leg.
Hmm.
Then I'm doing it. So I'm finding the difference.
Yeah.
That actually knee joint pain, that is not there. The pain because I was using this muscle, so now I am able to differentiate between those two.
Hmm.
That happened. Then about chakras, that is one more beautiful topic. She said chakras and then yin and yang. So she was saying, Deepti said that it is very beautiful that you have a very nice yin chakra, but you need to improvise on your yang chakra. Mean that
Young energy.
energy,
Yes. Yeah.
energy. So yes, uh, I'm trying to do that. Hope that I'll be a good student because she is a good teacher. Now it's my turn to be a good student.
No, you always are my
So
best student. You're my favorite student, actually. You have completed the 21 days course within 7 to 10 days of time. And as you said, this is the new information. You didn't share it with me that you went to a trekking and you actually cleared your knee pain. So
it's
the
not a
pain that,
trekking.
hmm,
Like I went to temples, so I
temples, yes,
have to
true, true.
climb
It's equal to
stairs. Yeah,
trekking only. It's equal to trekking.
yeah, almost. So lot of pain was there, but then um, like how I was combating this pain previously if I had gone there, and now how I'm handling this has changed.
Changed. True.
It
Because
has
before
changed a lot.
it was the before it was the knee pain, but right now it's you climbed the stairs of the temple. That's why you had the pain. It was not the pain which is compared to before. It's completely different.
No,
Now you
no.
can actually differentiate between the pain that you have naturally because of some emotional baggage,
Yes.
and there is a pain
Yeah.
which you will have while doing some work. You can differentiate between these two
Some
pains.
extra work what I was not at all
Hmm.
doing till that point of time. That is one. That difference I could make.
You can make.
That's a different I
True.
could. And one more thing, what I really experienced today, maybe just
Hmm.
today. So I it has become little late for me to join my duties. So I was running. Then I somehow I didn't see that where I have to get on that stop. So I went very far away. Almost I have to walk around nearly 1 kilometer. Previously, if I was to walk like that, somehow I missed it.
Hmm.
I would have what to say, cursed everyone. A ball like this, it happened like that. But okay, then one more positive thing what I felt today is okay because my muscle has to get tempered or toned. That
Hmm.
is the reason God has given me this exercise. No, I'm doing this. I didn't
Okay.
sweat a lot
Wow.
because that emotion, maybe because that negative emotion definitely that will put a lot of sweat in us because that is
Hmm.
how it bursts out.
Hmm. Hmm.
I didn't have that.
Wow.
In spite of very hot sun, also, I really worked. Now, very coolly, I walked. I got into that place. I nicely relaxed. Yeah, I appreciated the AC, what was there in the room, because that was an
Gratitude
AC room where I
practice.
had to work today.
Gratitude practice.
Yeah, gratitude. So
Hmm.
many gratitudes I started giving out for my being itself,
Hmm.
for each and every part of my body. So
Hmm.
many things I have learned from you, Deepthi, and thank you for being such a beautiful teacher.
Yeah, thank you for being
Very,
such a amazing, amazing
what to say,
student.
you are not a persistent teacher. You are such a nice teacher,
Wow.
and really, it's my luck that I fell upon that particular post you have shared on that psychology batch. This one, and then I was able to call you. Maybe I'm not very clear with all my experiences and how good it has been with me. These are a few things. I really have a very big list of things which I want to share, but not in a very chronological order. I'm not doing it. I'm extremely sorry.
No, 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 no,
But
don't be.
thank you so much. Oh, Honopono, which in starting, I didn't understand the depth of it, but what I have to give my gratitude to myself first thing, and then my health, my
Hmm.
parents, my husband, my children, and everyone around me, my colleagues. Yes, a lot of things has changed.
True.
Many things have changed. A lot of positivity has come, but I need to work out on few relationships even now. So, with the strength and guidance what Deepthi has given, I am very confident that I will mend all those things.
Wow.
I'll definitely do it. I will do it.
Actually, that was actually a wonderful,
Thank you, Ma. Seriously,
yeah.
seriously,
Actually,
thank you so much because such a beautiful thing.
yeah, it's really, actually, it's my honor to have a student like you. Actually, you're a fantastic student, fantabulous student, because you have completed literally the 21 days of the course. You have completed within 7 to 10 days of period of time, and you have completed all of your homeworks Very well done. And you have practicing, you actually embodied it, whatever that I taught you, because some people just note it down and they don't even practice. You're practicing it, and within 10 days, you have seen immense change in the health, in the relationships, and I can see the smile in your face that has changed. The first day when we had a first video call, I remember, and then slowly, because of my internet connection and the issues in the Zoom, that we couldn't do more of Zoom meetings, but we still were doing a lot of things on the phone call also. And I really
Yeah,
enjoyed the time because it's really whenever I'm healing a part of you, it's like I'm healing a part of me because at the energy level, we all are one. So as we have talked, right? So it was amazing journey, and I hope this Ho'oponopono technique, whatever is there, and I wanted it to reach to the many people, people who have health problems or wealth problems, money, relationships, whatever the issues they have. So whenever they feel like situations are out of their control, because 99% of the time situations are we feel like it's out of our control when we are living in the survival mode. So at that time, Ho'oponopono can be really helpful, and this chakras meditation and balancing yin and yang energy and everything. And there are a lot more to uncover. And I really see that you have evolved in your spiritual journey. I can see you are evolved in your health and relationship also, but I can see the major shift in your spiritual journey. I can see that you're evolving day by day. And I wish you all the best for your future
thank
and
you.
whatever the challenges that you are going to face in terms of spiritual levels. Because when you defeat a challenge, that's when you evolve. That's when we evolve as human beings, just like a butterfly. So all the best for your
Yeah,
future and all the best for all the things that you're
thank you.
going to face. Okay. Love you. Love
Yes,
you all.
thank you. Whenever I need your help, I'll definitely ping you,
Definitely,
please.
definitely. It's actually lifetime for
Thank you so
lifetime
much.
support. You're always welcome.
Thank you. Thank you very much. So nice of you, Ma. Thank you.
You're
Thank you.
welcome.
Hare Krishna. Hare
Hare
Krishna.
Krishna, Hare
You
Krishna.
are my Krishna right now.
Oh my God. Oh my God. That's so
Thank
much
you.
blessing. Thank you so much. Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much.